In 2025, remote-first companies are no longer a trend, they're a strategic advantage. Building a successful remote-first organization starts with creating a strong digital infrastructure. This includes choosing the right collaboration tools like Slack, Zoom, Notion, and project management platforms such as Asana or Trello. Cloud-based systems and cybersecurity protocols are crucial to ensure smooth operations and data safety across time zones. Next, companies must prioritize communication and transparency. Clear guidelines, regular check-ins, and asynchronous updates help maintain productivity and team alignment. Hiring practices should also evolve, focusing on self-motivated individuals with excellent digital communication skills. A remote-first culture thrives on trust, autonomy, and results-driven performance rather than hours logged online. Fostering connection and engagement is equally important. Virtual team-building activities, remote retreats, and flexible benefits create a sense of belonging. Companies should also invest in professional development opportunities and mental health support tailored for remote employees. In conclusion, a successful remote-first company in 2025 isn't just about working from home, it's about rethinking work. Organizations that embrace flexibility, empathy, and innovation will attract top global talent and stay ahead in the evolving business world. The future of work is remote first. Are you ready to build it?